Heumals zeigt einen neuen Balkonsolarspeicher. Laut Hersteller ist es das erste AC-gekoppelte System weltweit. Was das für die Kunden bedeutet, schauen wir uns jetzt mal an. Hallo und willkommen zur Intersolar 2024 hier in München. Wir sind auf dem Stand bei Heumals. Neben mir steht Anton Chiang. Er ist Produktentwickler bei Heumals. Hi Anton, schön, dass wir da sein dürfen. Welches neue Produkt zeigt Heumals in diesem Jahr?
So, as we know, Heumals is the most famous microinverter suppliers in the world. But this year we have bring something special beyond the microinverter. So, let me show you this one. This is the first generation of the micro storage product of Heumals.
Sounds interesting. How does this storage solution contribute to the whole development of the renewable energies?
Yes, we know that the balcony power plant is really popular in recent 3 years or 2 years or 3 years, but the balcony power plant has the limitation that we know the PV system only works during the daytime, and the household's electricity consumption usually peaks in the morning and at night. So it causes a very low utilization of the electricity that generated by the PV system. But so how do we solve this issue? And it's easy to think of that storing the electricity that fed into the grid with a very low return. So energy storage is added to the balcony power plant. Then it's become balcony power storage.
This sounds very interesting. Can you give us a few more details about your new device?
Of course, I can't wait to share its highlight with you.
Yeah.
Yes. At first, we can see this one is the world's first AC-coupled balcony power storage system. What is AC-coupled? That means the microinverter feeds the alternative AC circuit current to the battery. This is the first and the only one in the balcony power storage scenarios. And what's the benefits of that? I want to show the connector of the connection of this system. If the people already has the 2 PV panels and the microinverter at home, they just unplug the Shoko plug from the home socket, then plug it into. This is the cable from the microinverter, then plug it into the socket on the MS. Then connect the MS to the home socket through a cable with Shoko plug. Here, just plug in. It's already done with the installation. I think it's really friendly to the customer. They brought this device home, and 7 seconds, electrical wiring is finished. It's really friendly, I think. And second point, we can say MS is compatible with all microinverter, not 99%, but all. That's because of our unique design for AC-coupled system. We can do this compatible with all microinverters, no matter what brand or model of microinverter you already own. It can be used with MS without any compatibility issue. The default operation mode is the self-consumption mode, and usually the users just use this device with this mode. It's really easy. Then you can save the money. You can store the electricity that doesn't get consumed in time with this device. And the second one is the economic mode, as known as saving mode, because for the possible application of the flexible tariff in Germany maybe next year, it can help the customer to save more money. So this is reflected in the fact that the grid charges the battery when the electricity price is cheap. Then the battery can power the load when electricity price is high. So we have calculated that the customers can save more money save maybe around 200 euro per year with this operation mode. If the users has already the balcony power plant system at home. He just unplugged the shock plug from the home socket and plugged it into the device shock socket of device. Then connect the device to the home socket with a cable via a cable with shock plug. Really easy.
Thank you very much, Anton. It sounds really convincing, really easy and fast installation.
Yes.
And who now wants to get more information about the product and Heumals, please visit the website from the company.